This is my 1987 Ferrari Testarossa. I bought this car about 8 years ago in Japan, had it shipped over, got it into the port of Long Beach, drove it to my cousin's shop in LA, and spent the next 9 days pulling the engine out, getting the timing belt, big major service done, and then tried to take it on the Snowball Rally up here in Northern California, but failed, unfortunately. Halfway to Sacramento, it started blowing oil all over the exhaust. I hadn't screwed anything up, but I didn't replace the rear main seal when I did the other work. So went back in the garage for a 2-year timeout before I finally got back to it. But about 2 weeks ago, I finally completed the Snowball Rally, this time with my 14-year-old son. And we had an amazing time. It's a heck of a car, I tell you. We love it.